Hi, this is Bob. This is the final summary of the Heathkit AR-3. I wouldn't exactly call it a restoration, fixing it up, repairing it. I didn't do much in restoration department on this. It was in pretty good shape already, and I decided to leave it like that. But I was impressed with this unit when I got it. Before I ordered it, I was impressed too because it has all the original knobs on it. It's got the original case. The case is not all deformed like some of them I have seen. And it appeared to be in good condition, which it came out pretty good. I did make some changes to it. I added a, spin it around here. I keep these pieces of carpet. These are carpet samples, and I keep them here to protect radios when I work on them. But I was going to show you, I added a fuse holder there and put a 1 amp fuse in. I put new labels on. Now those labels are just plain old paper from out of my computer printer. I just printed those with the Word program, and then I used the E6000 glue to glue them on the back. I changed 3 tubes in the radio. I changed the 12BA6 tube, the 12AV6, which I see is leaning a little bit, and the 12BE6, because those checked weak on the tube tester. And so the only modification basically I made was to add that fuse holder there. And I put the 1847 bulbs in instead of 47 bulbs. The 1847 bulbs are a commercial version of the 47 bulb, and they last 2-3 times as long. So that's what's in there. And it works really fine now.
For every 2 you buy, and 0% financing for 5 full years. There is no
now that's a station in, I believe in Louisville, Kentucky. And my antenna that I'm using is right here. I would say it's possibly 6 to 8 feet of wire. That's the only antenna I have on, and then receiving that down in the basement here in southern Michigan. So that's the deal there. I put in a new clear plastic dial for it. The one that was there was faded and kind of foggy looking, so I put that in there too, and that helped out. Now this is actually 1/16 inch thick Lexan plastic, which is very strong stuff. And I glued that in just around the edge. I just put a bead of E6000 glue around the edge and stuck the plastic onto it on the other side there. And that took care of that. The cabinet has been repaired with E6000. These joints in the corners were coming loose here, all the way down on each side. So I put some small square pieces, I would say 3/8 inch square pieces of wood in each corner all the way back. And in the top too, I put a couple pieces to strengthen the cabinet, and glued that all in. Used quite a lot of glue on it there. So this is the summary. Just a quick finishing video to show how nice it came out and that it works really good. So that's it, guys. Just keep on building, keep on working on the Heathkits. I enjoy that so much. Repairing an old radio, doesn't matter if it's a Heathkit. I fixed up a Zenith console radio not too long ago. I had a good time doing that. I do not do any of it for anybody else. I get requests, I don't know, 4 or 5 requests a week to do that, but I don't do that because I'm retired here. I'm getting old, and I don't want the responsibility of working on somebody else's equipment. I don't want to have the responsibility of mailing it. I don't want to have the responsibility of it goes out or something after the guy gets it back. I like doing warranty work or something. I don't want any of those responsibilities. So I just do them for myself, for fun. So that's it, guys. 73s and Heathkits forever.